Hello friends, welcome to the intro session on control systems. It's one of the toughest as well as an important core subject to ECE and EEE students in BTech. Full subject as per the semester syllabus is available on VirtueLearn. Please sign up at www.virtuelearn.in or download mobile app VirtueLearn from Play Store right away. Once purchased on VirtueLearn, you can access the entire semester content for 7 months as per JNTU syllabus. It's like virtual tuition to you at very low cost. Repeat and rewind any number of times till you understand the topic thoroughly. Taught by an expert faculty and with visualization techniques, you'll love to learn on VirtueLearn. Access on desktop or smartphone, anytime, anywhere. Apart from BTech, this subject is important for cracking GATE exam. Let's have a look at a sample video.
Well friends, we know the big picture of the control system. What is that? So we have the control system. There are components which are available in this control system subject. So one is we know the modeling of the system, and secondly we have stability of the system and analysis, and finally we have design. So in this we know the modeling. There are two types of modelings, transfer function as well as the state space. In transfer function we have representation like block diagrams and signal flow graphs, so which we already seen. Now here we are going to concentrate on analysis, where in analysis time response analysis and frequency response analysis. The first one is time response analysis. What is the time response analysis? Now, so to understand the time response analysis, let us take this simple system where I have LTI system, which means linear time invariant system, and for this system I am connecting one input, and the input is R of t and output of the system is C of t. What is the time response? Time response is nothing but if the output of the system for any given input varies with respect to time, then it is called time response of the system. What is the independent variable is the time. So with respect to the time, I am going to plot what is the output of the system for any given particular input. Now, so for example, for this system I am getting the output response like this. So if you take your output response, and here I have the time. So this is what for example I have the response. Now in this response we closely observe there are some oscillations initially. After that the response is going to be settled. The response where we have the oscillations is called the transient response. Where we have a steady state value is called the steady state response. Therefore, there are two parts of transient response. One is a time response, one is a transient response, other one is steady state response.
Hope you liked it. Now, you can access full semester syllabus on VirtueLearn. Thank you.